Here is a quick and simple video showing you how to freeze fresh produce. Here I have bell peppers thinly sliced, and I have blueberries and bananas cut in threes. I'd laid them on foil on some baking sheets, and I'm going to put them in the freezer for a couple of hours. You can use parchment paper, but make sure you put some kind of lining down so they don't stick. I must mention that I did wash my produce beforehand, and I thoroughly dried it before cutting and freezing. Be sure to do a simple Google search and make sure that your produce can be frozen without blanching beforehand. This is a great way to help prevent your produce from going bad and having to waste it. No one likes to waste hard-earned money, so save your produce by doing this. Make sure you have freezer bags on hand and seal them very tightly to assure no air gets in. I think this is a great way to save some money. I think buying fresh is a little less expensive than buying frozen. And here are my frozen blueberries and bananas. Frozen fruit is great for smoothies. I love putting frozen bananas in smoothies. It just adds a creamy texture to it. The reason you want to lay out your produce like this to freeze separately before putting it into the baggie is so that they don't all clump together. And if you don't have a vacuum seal, no problem. What I did is I sealed the bag about 98% of the way, and then I left a little insert to stick a straw in, and then I sucked out all the extra air. It works. And it helps prevent freezer burn. So here are the frozen berries. They are so good just to snack on, and they really do stay clump free. And then here are the peppers that I'm going to show being cooked. They keep their color, their flavor, and everything is ready to use when you are. Thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you again.